किल्ल्याची पळवणी केली त्या संदर्भात म्हणजे थोडी माहिती देऊ शकता?
सकाळच्यान हांव किल्ल्याची पळोवणी म्हणजे फर्स्ट आमी सांखळी फोर्ट म्हणून थंय गेले, थंय इन्स्पेक्शन केलें, रिव्यू घेतलो, जाता त्या कामाचें प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट घेतलो, एंड इफ देर आर एनी अल्टरेशन्स टू दॅट ऑल दॅट वेर तो रिव्यू घेतला आनी वी हॅव गिवन प्रॉपर डिरेक्शन्स एंड कामाचे डेडलायन्स फिनिशींग हें सगळें करून घेतलें. देन आफ्टर वी मूव टू सप्तकोटेश्वर मंदीर जे हालींच आमी लोकार्पण केल्लें आसा. त्या देवळान भितर काय मॅनेजमेंटान आमकां परत एक फावटी इनवायट केल्लें. देर आर स्मॉल टिथींग प्रॉब्लम्स वीच हॅव अरायजन आफ्टर दीस टू फिक्स इट एंड टू पॅच अप. आमी पावसाचें जाले नंतर कितें प्रॉब्लम्स येवपाक शकतात हे सगळें आमी थंय इन्स्पेक्ट केलें. एंड अगेन सम न्यू सेकेंड फेज काम कितें करपाक जाय तें घेतलें. तशेंच आमचे MLA ऑनरेबल MLA कालूस बाब हांचे इन्विटेशना वयल्यान आमी वी हॅव कम एंड आय एम वेरी ग्रेटफूल एंड आय हॅव टू थँक दी ऑनरेबल MLA because he has taken initiative. Lot of development was pending because of want of land. The surrounding land आमकां दिसता through his initiative and Dr. Ranjan. He has given us this land for the future development also. We had projected something and we could not go ahead with that execution. So now the land has come in our possession with that his this thing and Carlos Ferreira Bab ताणें खूब इनिशिएटीव घेतलो. ही कन्विन्स देम एंड दे वर ताणें आमकां एक दिल्लें आसा एंड वी वील सी टू दॅट हाव बेस्ट वी कॅन कॉम्पेन्सेट देम. आनी तातूंतल्यान आमकां एक बरें फोर्टाचें आतां हो जो कोर्जुआ फोर्ट आसा तो वेरी गुड फोर्ट, वेरी स्ट्रॉंग इनिशियली एंड वी आर अगेन फिक्सिंग ऑल दी लूज थिंग्स हियर. आनी म्हाका दिसता की वॉट इज द अमाउंट दॅट वी आर स्पेंडींग
2.33
या 2,33,00,000 हाजेर आमी रिनोवेशन्स करता. वी नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट ऑल सच हेरिटेज so that we come to know what is our history and तातूंतल्यान we need to emerge out and we need to promote this kind of tourism so that people all around they come. And Bicholim is a very beautiful area where you find very different ancient temples, you find very beautiful lakes, beautiful rivers, navigating rivers, and attached to that there are some forts, where it has got a very significant history, why these forts were built, what was the activity going on, how Portuguese used to get the vessels here, and how the trade was happening. This is all about that. We must have, we lost in between the waterways, transport and all, navigations. So we have to rebuild really to get back to our old treasure.
एकच तुमकां प्रश्न, असे कितले फोर्ट तुमी गोंयान आनीक एडिशनली बांदून घेतले आनी ह्या फोर्टाचें काम कितल्या पर्सेंट
देर आर आमी खंयचे खंयचे फोर्ट्स आमचे नजरेन येता पळय न्ही. आतां म्हणजे रेज माऊस आसतले, आरोना फोर्ट आसा आयडेंटिफायड, कोर्जुआ फोर्ट, सांखळी फोर्ट चालू आसा. कळ्ळें न्ही. आमी खोला एक फोर्ट आमी पळयल्लो आसा, बेराम, कोलवाळे फोर्ट. अशे हे फोर्ट्स आसात ते रेगुलरली वी आर प्लेसिंग आवर पीपल. दी मनसून जे कितें हें जातात, बुशीस जाता, हें जाता, ते क्लियरन्सीस करतात. And on all those protected areas we keep our personnels also to look after. So this is a way, if we get a good budgetary allocations made for this, then we can really take care of this. Goa has got a different kind of heritage, and Goa was ruled by Portuguese for 450 years, and during those and prior to that there is a lot of history involved in this. And Goa is identified when I saw the previous 2 days back we made a visit to Sangam area wherein we can see the ancient civilizations there. On the bank of river we could find the rock carvings. Kurdi asa. Rock Kurdi is another thing. But Ponsali Mall, you see the rock carving. It was, I do not know, but it is over 8,000 years ago. It was an ancient civilization wherein primitive people used to draw all that. So you come to know the old treasures and how it got started. Next to see पांडवा केव्ज म्हणून आसा रिवणा भागान भितर वेर आख्यायिका आसा की पांडव थंय रावताले बट इफ नॉट पांडव वॉट एवर इट इज सम ऋषी रिवणा वॉज अ ऋषी मुनीज प्लेस you know all those rishis used to stay so we can come to know and we can predict what was happening there so such a beautiful forts beautiful caves that we find here and really I'm happy with this department though much cannot be done but we can at least protect preserve and rebuild all those old things back again
या फोटाचे कितले काम पूर्ण झालं आणि केन्ना पर्यंत पूर्ण जातले
yeah 30% of the work is this आता 2.33 crores काम आम्ही आतापर्यंत स्पेंड केल्या म्हणजे bills are paid to the extent of 24 crores 25 lakhs 25 lakhs
पूर्ण केन्ना जातले
पूर्ण जातले we will take it will another 8 months तुम्ही त्यांचे हे वाढून दिले आम्ही so this kind of work you cannot expedite because it needs a specialization you don't find all these skilled people to this kind of work to procure all the material also genuine material you will find it at some place so we cannot blame the contractors also for getting this work or delayed it is not that you will put more workforce and get it done so this needs a skill a particular material and that availability also takes time so we will we continued it we never stopped the work and I believe that that will be done within another 8 months
What will the plan after the renovation?
हां हातून भितर प्लॅन्स आसात आमी वॉट वी वर डिस्कसींग आमी दोतोर सांगतालो की हांगा एक रेगुलर कितें तरी एक्टिविटी जावपा एक कॅलेंडर इव्हेंट जावपा जाय आनी लोकांक कळपा जाय देर इज अ प्लेस ब्युटिफूल प्लेस अ व्हेरी ट्रेडिशनल प्लेस ऑर एन्शंट प्लेस वेर यू कॅन एन्जॉय ऑल दोज फंक्शन्स यू कॅन ऑलवेज डू इट बट आमचे हे रिलेटेड फंक्शन्स आसा न्ही ती हांगा जाली जर जाय जाल्यार इट गिव्स अ डिफरंट कलर टू दॅट you know you get a different pleasure and satisfaction that we got it done on a fort and a beautiful scenic area around if you look at this Corjuem fort you will find two sides the river the other green lush environment and natural beauty so we hope and feel that this is one of the fort where you can do some revenue and self sustaining kind of things keep going
I am grateful that Honorable Minister has come. कितें हांवें सांगलो तेन्ना हांवें पळयलें तें काम हें जें केल्लें सप्तकोटेश्वराच्या देवळाचें बरें काम केलें हांवें ताका सांगलें आमचें कोरजुव्याचें मातशें एक्सपेडायट कर आनी तेणें एक्सेप्ट केलां येवपा आनी मागीर एक डिफिकल्टी सांगलो तें जमीन ते सायडीन जाय म्हण आमी हाडले NOC म्हजे सोयरे आहात ते डॉक्टर रांजल आनी तेगे भयण ती डॉक्टर नादिया रांजल दोगांयनी NOC दिले आयज हँड ओवर जाले ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर हातीन आनी तें ब्युटिफिकेशन अरावंड दीस फोर्ट तेंय जातलें so with this I think we will have a very good thing we have to remember that Goa is not only sand and sea there is beauty of Goa even inside Goa so this kind of heritage tourism which we talk not only about houses but even of our old forts ancient history and that is the Goa which requires to be portrayed which was kept in the back room and I think with the dynamic suggestions and contributions of Honorable Minister who is pursuing this because हांव जाणा तो परत चॅकअप करता काम हूंय गेला हूंय पावला so I know that he has that keen eye for making sure this work will be done and आमी उलयता आसतना तेन्ना we said even he make a very good suggestion let us have a Corjuem festival so there will be an annual Corjuem festival after this so which will give our locals a chance to come here we will invite lot of performers I have friends also the government can also bring we'll bring a lot of good performers good stage artists सगळ्यांक हाडपा same time project our rural areas give this and also boost up so it can self generate some revenue also सगळें फुकट जावपा जायना so it has to be some revenue generation has to be there and I can assure you that people will come in large numbers people want to see these things they sometimes come and see these places they come and see तुम्ही पळयला आसतलें टुरिस्ट येतात भितर चोयतात and then they take photographs of such beautiful places आमी केन्ना पळयलें ना तें so I think we need to wake up and see the reality and beautify our places and I think with this team headed by the Honorable Minister Subhash Dessai, our Director Nilesh and Sumesh, who is there with him, I think the team will work. Remember only one thing, as Minister correctly said, conservation is not simply building. It's easy to build a new building, but then to restore in conservation, because this is all conservation area, and conserve करपा भरपूर त्रास आहा. Not only the architects, the planners, the executors, the material, सगळ्यांक चोवपा जाय. It has to also match. कित्याक मागीर काम जालें मागीर फेड जालें म्हणून तें जावपा जायना. It should not also expose that this is completely modern. So you have to harmonize everything well, and I think they are doing a very good job. आमी म्हणटात third party, justice delayed is justice denied, but the other way around, justice hurried is justice buried. So I think we'll give them the time and let them do a good work, and then we can definitely clap for what is done. It is something for posterity, and I'm very grateful that he has taken this initiative, come here specially, and I also ask him that once it is done, we will have him more often over here. Thank you.